Hey everyone, this is Tim from Your6 Studios. Today in the studio, I'm going to go and show you a possible solution on how to fix your noisy disk drive on your PlayStation 5. So let's go ahead and jump the video right now. So your disk drive makes a lot of sound on your PlayStation whenever you are playing a game via disk. Now let's go ahead and try to fix this. So I'm going to insert this copy of Battlefield 4 into my PlayStation. And then I'm going to completely shut down my PlayStation 5. Now, to shut it down completely, locate the power button and then hold this down. And you will hear one beep initially, and like 2 or 3 seconds later, you will hear another beep. And this will manually turn off your PlayStation 5. And then we want to unplug the cables on the back once it's turned off. So I'm going to flip this around now and then wait for my PlayStation to power off. And I don't see any lights on the light bar anymore. So I'm going to unplug the cables on the back here. And then we're going to remove the cover. So let's remove these. And then flip over my PlayStation. And I can see the side with the disk drive on it. And now what I want to do is to remove the cover. So you can see the side with the disk drive right here. So I'm going to take my right hand and then lift up in this right corner and then pull towards me. And this will pop off the cover. So you got to lift up and then pull towards you and the cover will come off. Okay, so now I can see the disk drive right here, and I'm going to take a screwdriver just like this. And there's going to be a little black circle right here that you can either lift up with, or you can just puncture it with a screwdriver. And then you want to rotate a screw in here to the right. And this is going to manually eject a disk from your disk drive. So you can see it's coming out right now. And at any point when you can see the disk, you can just use your fingers and you can grab it. Otherwise, keep rotating this. And then put the cover back on. Now aligning the cover is very easy. Instead of pulling towards you this time, you want to push away from you. So let's align it over the disk drive and then push down and push away, and it'll snap into place. And hopefully this simple little trick does indeed help reduce the sound and the noise your PlayStation 5 is making when you do have a disc in there. So if it did help you out, go and leave a big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel down below for more tech up videos coming up next on Your6 Studios.